Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, since there's nothing else to do, I haven't been able to get to it, but since we're stuck on lockdown, I decided to go ahead and I've been having these under my bed for a while. Gauge clusters. I got them from the guy I always get my stuff from, Marshimaro. I will put his information down in the link below if you guys want to check it out. He has a bunch of stuff for BMWs. But anyways, I have to go to my car and take off the gauge cluster, and then I'll show you guys how to install this. Alright guys, so this is the original one. It's black. Basically all you gotta do to remove this is just take this off and this off, but you gotta use a T-torque. It is a T10. So yeah, now that it's off, basically it just has, if I could get this shit to focus, it has one cable here, and it just has a tab which you just gotta pull down, just pry it up and just pull it out. So now, okay, so it has one bolt there, another torque there, and it's basically just clips. Remove that clip, and so on. So let me just do this. Remember to always put these to the side, and then you might lose them. Alright, so basically now we just gotta remove these little needles. In his tutorial I seen, removed it with some spoons. Easily, make sure you lift them up evenly. Okay. Okay, now these are off. Basically, just peel this off. And there you have it. Just make sure they all line up perfectly. And you should have no issue. Make sure you rub it out. Make sure you get no air bubbles either. You should have something looking like this. Alright guys, so that's pretty much going to be everything for the video. Pretty easy install. Took me like about 30 minutes or so. But thanks for watching. Thanks for everyone who subscribed. We're already at 200 subscribers, and I didn't think that was possible, but hey, you know what, let's try to get to 500 subscribers by June. Let's see if we can make that happen. Peace out guys, thanks for watching.